Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmacworks Koenigsegg Agera or Agera RS. This is now in silver, or sort of like a silver metallic, I would say. So we have not seen this casting return in a while from Tarmac. The previous release was quite recent. It was during the Tarmacworks Owners Club, I think the first members only model, I think, in 2025, and it was in dark blue. So that released in what, January or so, I think. And now we have the second color, which is released to the public, and this is now currently in silver metallic, I would say. So yeah, it does come in this nice looking box. Let me just show you the box. So it is in this sort of like gray carbon, light gray carbon box, top of the box, and then the bottom it would be in orange. And if you don't know, this car is basically painted in sort of like a silver metallic color with of course additional like orange paint stripes here and there all around the car, as you may know. Of course, this is a exotic hypercar, as you can already tell, the Agera RS. So it does say Koenigsegg right there as well. If you look on the top, it does say Global 64. Since it does come in this paper or cardboard box, it does come as a Global 64. That's the back of the car, and also over here you have the Koenigsegg logo right there, which is nice. Agera RS at the back, and then on the bottom of the box does say Tarmacworks, Tarmac for good, Koenigsegg official licensed product. So it does say moon silver / black. Oh yeah, there are some black accents on the car as well. And there's the barcode if you do need it, made in China. So yeah, quite a nice one. Let's go ahead and try to open this up. If I'm not mistaken, there is no chase car for this Agera. So it only has this one color, which is the metallic silver, or they call it moon silver. So here it is, the Koenigsegg Agera in, yeah, quite a nice, lovely looking silver color right here, with the fully decked out metallic silver paint job, blacked out stripe in the middle with some orange accents here and there, which I do like. Now the car looks really subtle and very nice. There are some minor changes between this and the older original Agera RS that has been released by Tarmac many years ago. Of course, the main biggest thing that they changed with this is there is no longer detachable engine bay at the back, where usually you can actually take it off, and also it does have the exposed engine where you can see the back. So this one does not have it anymore at all. So yeah, it is completely it does not completely include any detachable or opening parts at all anymore. So yeah, another thing is the packaging. Since now it is in Global 64, of course, they do package it in the box, where last time they used to also have chase versions, and apparently last time they used to include them in sort of like those blisters where you can like open them, and also they come with the box as well. And now they just come in the simple boxes, which is overall pretty nice. So yeah, fully metal body and also base right here. I believe plastic rear spoiler and all. Looks very nice, clean looking. Let's put it on our turntable and let's see how it does on the turntable. Hold on. So there's the Koenigsegg Agera R. Some people call it Agera. So yeah, we've seen Tarmac release the Yesco attack. Hold on, the camera's a bit tilted. There you go. Oops. So yeah, we've seen Tarmac released previously in the Global 64 lineup, the Koenigsegg Agera Agera RS. What else? The Koenigsegg Agera, the Yesco attack, and also this mainly. I do quite like this one. It is a fun, nice looking model, I would say. Does pack in a lot of details here and there, including from the front, the headlights, the whole body lining of the car and all, and also the rear spoiler at the back, of course, with the rear lights as well. Overall, it is a fully detailed and, yeah, I would say lovely model, especially for Koenigsegg fans. So far for Koenigsegg, we've seen, yeah, like I said, Agera, Regera. What else do we have? Do we have the CC? Oh yeah, CC 850. I cannot forget that. And what's the other one called? I think that's all. Is it? Yeah, comparing the Koenigsegg lineup overall, it's pretty neat. I would say compared to the McLaren lineup, we don't really have much McLarens or Ferraris. But yeah, in the Tarmacworks lineup, we quite have a lot of Koenigsegg's, basically. Like I said, Agera RS, Regera, CC850, three awesome looking models, I'd say. All made in Global 64, which is nice. Some of these do include Tarmac cards as well, but this time, of course, the Agera does not include Tarmac cards, which I hope they will in the future, as since they started to bring this model back again, there is, of course, more open possibilities of Tarmacworks, including some Tarmac cards into the Koenigsegg Agera RS together. Maybe they will release this car in a different color in the future, as since they returned this casting already, they might as well use it as much as they can, so that maybe new collectors would start to appreciate and collect this model more. At the same time, we'll still appreciate the older release Agera RS's, I would say. So now let's take a close look at our Agera RS, Canadian Moon Silver. So here it is, a nice looking color, I would say. Where do we start with? Oh yeah, this side. So here's the Agera RS. Comes with the 5 spokes on both front and back. I believe they have the same set of rims for the front and back. Same size, same rims. Overall, pretty nice 5-spoke dark, or let's say black color right there. Over on the side right here, you do have the paneling as well as an intake over here on the side colored in black right there, with some orange outlines here and there, which is nice. It does say Agera RS right there. You do have that small little orange pinstripe over there on the side near the door. So if you don't know, in reality the door actually opens upwards 90 degrees, which is nice. So it does come out and also rotate 90 degrees, which is very nice. You do have your plastic side mirrors over on the side right here. Oh sorry, not plastic, rubber side mirrors, which is cool, let's say. Over on the front right here, we do have some slightly tinted but still see-through type of sorry, what do you call that, headlights, which are nice. Quite detailed, I would say, pretty nice. They look like a shape of a leaf, if you don't know. Looks pretty nice. And then of course you do have the some more pinstripes over here in orange, some accents here and there. You do have the front splitter And then you have this front, what do you call this? The big, massive stripe moving towards the back, colored in black with some orange accents over at the stripe in the middle here as well. You have some intakes right here and also some vents over on the side, which looks neat. And then moving towards the windshield, yeah, you do have a massive windshield acting as of course a barrier for the cockpit. It does connect towards the doors as well, making it look like it is a big looking windshield, which is nice. You do have the window wiper right here in the middle. I think it is right hand drive, I think, I'm not sure. Sorry, left hand drive, I think, yeah. So yeah, you do have the stripe here in the middle as well, and some small orange stripes here as well. But yeah, I can't forget the Koenigsegg logo on the hood just now, I forgot to mention that. Over on the side right here, yeah, pretty much looking the same, looks the same. Overall pretty neat. You have some vents right here at the back, which looks detailed and really nice. You do have a little sneak peek of the engine right there, and of course the Ghost logo as for the Koenigsegg symbol right there, which is nice, which is the Ghost. And then you do have this plastic black dot rear spoiler, which looks pretty nice, held by two supports in the middle, red rear lights right there. And then you do have this massive rear grille, which is nice with some orange accents, some diffusers at the bottom with the inclusion of the exhaust at the bottom. And then over on the base, we do have a metal base colored in black. This is a Tarmacworks Koenigsegg Agera RS, made in China, and you do have 3 screws at the bottom, which is just to secure the car, I believe. Oh, by the way, the older one does have 3 screws as well, as since it does want to support the back due to the detachable rear, I would say, like engine bay. So surprised that they still include the 3 screws at the bottom right here, which is quite interesting, I would say. So yeah, that's it for the car. Let's put it back on our turntable. And yeah, I would say I'm pretty impressed of the way the car is looking now after several years of the car not being released again. This has been quite a highly requested model by fans, as yeah, many Koenigsegg collectors out there really wish and would like to see Tarmac re-release this model. No matter whether it has the opening engine bay or not, they would like to see this model make a return to the Global 64 lineup, so that they can basically have their hands on more colors and, well, basically having the feeling of the detail of Tarmacworks Koenigsegg's, which I do indeed like. And of course, since we have the Agera and CC50, it's technically not wrong for them to bring back the Agera RS, which I totally agree. It's a very, very nice looking model, and yeah, totally understandable for them to bring it back for people to enjoy and also have them in their collection as well. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments about this Koenigsegg Agera RS. Whether you think it's really nice, or you think it's not really much of a big thing to have this again or so. It really depends on your situation and whether you do collect Koenigsegg's or not, or you like exotic cars, for example. Yeah, I would suggest you guys to go get it. Of course, it is available over at the Tarmacworks website. That depends on whether the stock is still available or not for this casting. But yeah, that's all for me to say today in my review of the Koenigsegg Agera RS. Let me know what you think. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.